Welcome to your final capstone project, designing your own organization. After exploring all the essential concepts of organizational design, it's time to bring your own vision to life. This project is where theory meets practice, where you craft a real strategic plan for how an organization should be structured and managed. Start with your mission, vision, and core values. What does your organization stand for? What are you hoping to achieve? Next, choose your organizational structure. Will it be functional, divisional, matrix, flat, or team-based? Justify your choice based on your industry, size, goals, and strategy. From there, map out your teams and departments. Define clear reporting lines and collaboration workflows. Who's in charge of what? How will decisions be made? How will you ensure agility and scalability as you grow? Don't forget culture. What kind of environment are you creating for your people? Will you prioritize innovation, transparency, speed, or stability? Also, consider your leadership approach. Will you lead from the top down or empower teams to self-manage? How will leadership evolve as your business grows? Think about the digital tools you'll use. Is automation part of your model? How will AI or hybrid work impact your design? Finally, tie it all together with measurable goals. Identify KPIs for performance, engagement, and success. Show how your structure supports your strategy now and into the future. This capstone project is your chance to apply what you've learned in a creative, real-world way. Be bold, be strategic, and build an organization that's ready to thrive in the next decade.